Sometimes the best journeys aren't measured by kilometers, they are measured by the memories we bring back. यात्रा भनेको केवल गन्तव्य पुग्नु होइन, आफूभित्र नयाँ अनुभवहरू भेट्नु पनि हो. Our journey began from Dulegaunda with excitement in our heart and cameras are ready to capture every moment. We drove toward Pokhara and then Kusma, watching the roads, the mountains, and the shifting landscapes unfold like scene from a film, reminding us why traveling in Nepal always feels magical. हरेक मोडमा नयाँ दृश्य, हरेक यात्रामा नयाँ कथा. After around 2 hours, we finally reached Kusma, where one of our closest travel partner, our mama, our brother, our companion, was already waiting for us. And just like that, the adventure officially began. By evening, we finally arrived at Harness, and the warm welcome instantly made us feel like home. After checking into our beautiful villa, we spent the time exploring the peaceful surroundings. Every corner of the resort is designed to make the experience unforgettable. Dinner that night was filled with good food, shared stories, and laughter that carries us well past midnight. Life becomes beautiful when the right people travel together.
यही हो हाम्रो रुम चाहिँ अनि एकचोटि क्विक रुम टुर गरिदिउँ है त. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ छ कपडाहरू यस्तै त हो है. अनि दाइ हुनुहुन्छ यहाँ फुटबल म्याच हेर्दै. अनि म चाहिँ यहाँ छु, हामीहरू चाहिँ खानसान खाएर ट्याक्क अब यहाँ.
Surrounded by nature and silence, we went to sleep with excitement for what the next morning will bring. बिहानको त्यो घामले थकाइ होइन, नयाँ ऊर्जा दियो.
हाम्रो गुड मर्निङ भइसकेको छ. हेलो दाइ. ओहो बाहिर त फेरि झलल्लै छ नि.
The calm atmosphere and the kind of experience that stayed in your heart long after you leave. As the day went on, we explored every corner of the resort.
हामी चाहिँ त ब्रेकफास्ट गर्न आएको अनि यहाँ देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ.
Every destination has its own story. Every road teaches something new. And every journey leaves behind a memory that never really fades.
हामी चाहिँ अहिले बेडमा आइसकेको छौँ. अनि लास्टै गर्नु भयो क्या, एकदम गर्नु भयो. बाहिर फोटो खिच्नु लाग्यो, लास्टै गर्नु फोटो नि खासै खिचेन. मामा नि उता फ्ल्याट हुनुहुन्छ होइन, फ्ल्याट अवस्थामा छु. बाहिरको भ्यू यस्तो छ, रुम यस्तो छ. सो अब हामी यहाँबाट बिस्तारै निस्किन्छौँ. भिडियो बनाउन पायो बनाउँछु, अन्त क्यामेरा चाहिँ ब्यागमा हालिदिन्छु कि भनेर हो.
Collect moments, not the things. यात्राको सबैभन्दा ठुलो स्मृति फोटो होइन, त्यो छेडमा महसुस गरेको खुसी हो. If you are searching for the destination where adventure, relaxation, nature, and unforgettable memories come together, then Harness Zipline Adventure Resort in Kusma deserves a place on your travel list. Until the next journey, keep exploring and never stop traveling. किनभने संसार हेर्नु भनेको आफूलाई अझ राम्रोसँग चिन्नु हो. Thank you.